All right, guys, so you've been messing around, it's a bit wet, you've chewed up your yard a little bit, and it's time to clean up a little bit. And you just want to run the leveler over it, but you can't be bothered changing attachments, so you're just going to use your bucket. Just going to show you how to use the float feature and the bucket to smooth this out. So we want to find a spot where we're happy to start with. So in this instance, I think we just sort of want to go with the slight contour of the ground. So what you do is you bring it down and gently bring it onto the float. And now you can see with the tilt, here the bucket's off the ground. So we're just going to slightly tilt it forward. I actually like to look out to the left. Till we just get it to there. And then basically it's just a matter of dragging back. Like so. And then to come forward, you don't need to lift the bucket, you just tilt forward, tilt up. And then say you come to a spot where you might want it about here. So you're going to tilt it forward and then just slightly bring the front of that bucket down on the front, just so the front's there. And then just listening to the bucket and the sound it's making on the ground. And we're just taking a nice gentle slice. We want to do that again. We want to take more material off, right? So we want to take more material off. It's like running a trowel if you've ever been a contractor in the building industry. So if you want to take a lot of material off, you have your trowel up high like this, and that'll wipe all the material off. But if you want to leave material, you run your trowel over on an angle so that it's leaving material behind. Same principle here. So we're just going to bring that down and then just bring it so that the front of that bucket's just touching. Roll the bucket down, and we're just going to put a little bit more on it this time, just to there. You can see because it's on the float, the arms will actually lift up. So if I went all the way, but we're still in float mode, so that would pull a lot of gravel off. But with the teeth, it would leave a lot of marks. So we don't want to do that. So we're just going to bring it down and just bring that front cutting edge up. And that's pretty much it. All right, hope you found that useful.